Xiamen City Xinhui Area Xinxing Metal Product Company Limited was established in 2007, is a professional manufacturer specializing in R&D, production and sale of stainless steel kitchen cookware, and stainless steel and aluminum camping cookware. In the past few years, Xinxing has gained a rapid growth and continuously dedicate to becoming a reputed company. Our factory covers an area of 20,000 square meters. Xinxing has a complete production line, including punching workshop, polishing workshop, cleaning workshop, and assembly workshop. We have an annual production capacity of 16,800,000 pieces cookware. In order to dedicate to strict quality control, we have passed ISO 9001 certification and reviewed by BSCI, and some products were passed California Proposition 65 LFGB issued by SGS. In order to meet the diversified requirements of different customers, we have a professional R&D team to provide individualized R&D design and customization services. Through continuous efforts, our company has established a stable and long-standing trade relationship with many customers. Our steady cooperation with material suppliers and transportation companies makes our prices stable and shipment punctual. So far, our products have been exported to Europe, America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Xinxing will be your best strategic partner in China due to its design capability, strong production capability, standard management system, and outstanding service.